How's it going, guys? Happy Thanksgiving long weekend. So I got some family coming over. It's time to get this yard into shape. Obviously you can see some leaf blowing to do. Not going to show you that, just going to do it. And I got some product to throw down, and that I'm really looking forward to showing you guys because I have never used it before. So with that, let's get this weekend started. Let's go. Alright guys, so it is Thanksgiving long weekend. I got family coming over and I want to get my lawn popping. The back, the front, to the best I can. The side area, not worried about that. So I got this, Chelated Liquid Iron. Now, this is a huge jug. If you want to see something that's a little messed up, I paid the same price for this as I did for this. Look at that. Careful where you shop, people. Shop around. Don't be afraid to do that because you can be screwed over. So enough with my woes. I'm gonna mix this. It says 1 pint per 1,000 square feet, which I believe is 2 cups per 1,000 square feet. We're gonna test that out. I'm gonna throw it in here. I'm gonna fill up the backpack sprayer, and I'm just gonna walk the backyard at a good steady pace, and hopefully I don't run out or I don't mind if I have to go over it a few times, but hopefully I don't run out halfway through. All right, let's go. So the little 1 pint bottle that I got, I'm just gonna check it with this, and it should be 2 cups, so I should be able to fill this up twice to that line, just see what it's like. And yes, I know I'm not wearing gloves, but whatever. I'm busy, I got stuff to do. Alright, that's one. Let's see how accurate. 2 cups exactly. Okay. So I clean this up because I spilled it all over. I'm probably gonna stain my clothes, my hands, and God knows what else. But you should know me by now. I don't worry about that stuff too much. Alright, so I'm gonna fill this up with 6 more cups. Spray the back. Alright, so that's the back done. So that'll sit overnight. I'll water it in the morning. Let's go hit the front. What's up, guys? So Saturday morning, just watering in that liquid iron. It's looking pretty good. Beautiful view, beautiful colors. Pretty happy. So water in the front next, and then see how this looks tomorrow. Hopefully it'll dry up quick enough today that I can mow it. Put some stripes in this. Lawn's gonna be popping. See you in a bit. Alright guys, so before I sign off, I just want to show you this. Look at that view. It's almost like being in heaven. Isn't that gorgeous? Bright fall colors, nice sun shining through the trees. Yard looking immaculate for family. Golf pins in, and that's it. Have a beer, eat some turkey. You guys have a good Thanksgiving weekend. We'll see you in the next one. This has been Backwoods.